Hello students, let us continue with real numbers chapter 1 mathematics standard 10. Till now we have done the chapter explanation of the real numbers. I have tried to complete all the topics along with the all types of important questions, all types of questions. I discussed the exercises of NCERT and asked you to complete the remaining exercises of NCERT. If any doubt, any query is there in any of the sums, whether it is from NCERT or any other side book, you please send it in the comment box or in the inbox. Now this question has been sent by one of you. Let us discuss this question. The question is, if n is a positive integer, prove that n cube minus n is divisible by 6. Now the solution starts. Let n be the given positive integer. Now this n cube minus n can be written as n into n square minus 1 equals to n into n minus 1 into n plus 1. Now let us divide the given positive integer n by 3. Then by Euclid's division lemma, there exists positive integers q and r such that n equals to 3q plus r, where 0 less than equals to r, which is less than 3. This implies, because of this inequality, r equals to 0, 1 or 2. Now when r equals to 0, 1 or 2, the given positive integer n will either be 3q if I put r equals to 0, or 3q plus 1 if I put r equals to 1, or 3q plus 2 if I put r equals to 2. Now let us discuss the question further. When n equals to 3q, it is divisible by 3. n minus 1 equals to 3q minus 1, not divisible by 3, and n plus 1 equals to 3q plus 1, it is also not divisible by 3. When n equals to 3q plus 1, then n equals to 3q plus 1 is not divisible by 3. N minus 1 equals to 3q, which is divisible by 3. How it came 3q? Over here n minus 1, in place of n you put 3q plus 1. Let me write only 3q plus 1 minus 1 equals to 3q, which is divisible by 3. And n plus 1 equals to 3q plus 1 equals to 3q plus 2, which is not divisible by 3. Similarly, the first case, second case and third case, when n equals to 3q plus 2. Third case let us take. When n equals to 3q plus 2, then n minus 1 equals to 3q plus 2 minus 1 equals to 3q plus 1. This n is not divisible by 3. This also is not divisible by 3. But n plus 1 equals to 3q plus 2 plus 1. Let us write it in bracket. So it is 3q plus 3, which is divisible by 3. So 1 and only 1 out of n, n minus 1 and n plus 1 is divisible by 3. Let us make it a star. The statement I am naming as a star statement. Now again, let us divide n by 2. Then there exist positive integers q and r such that n equals to 2q plus r, where 0 less than equals to r, which is less than 2. This implies r equals to 0 or 1. Now again case 1, when r equals to 0, n equals to 2q, n minus 1 equals to 2q minus 1, 2q minus 1, and n plus 1 equals to 2q plus 1. Obviously this one is divisible by 2, this one is not divisible by 2, and this also is not divisible by 2. Now case 2, when r equals to 1, then n equals to 2q plus 1, n minus 1 equals to 2q plus 1, minus 1 equals to 2q, and n plus 1 equals to 2q plus 1 plus 1 equals to 2q plus 2 equals to 2 into q plus 1. So this one is not divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2, and this one also divisible by 2. Thus we conclude that when we divide n by 2, then at least one of n minus 1 or n minus 2 is n plus 1 is divisible by 2. Let us make it double star. This is the statement I am naming as double star. So from this statement star and double star, we conclude that n equals to n cube minus n equals to n into n minus 1 into n plus 1 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore n cube minus n is divisible by 6 as proved. So children, in a gist we can say that if we have to prove that n cube minus n is divisible by 6, first express n cube minus n in terms of its factors. The factors will be n, n minus 1 and n plus 1. Let us first divide n by 3. You discuss all the three cases for r equals to 0, 1 and 2. In all the three cases we will be getting either n, n minus 1 or n plus 1 is divisible by 3. Again we will be dividing n by 2. Then in this case also we will be getting n, n minus 1 or n plus 1 is divisible by 2. So considering both the statements, that if n cube minus n can be expressed as n into n minus 1 and n plus 2, n plus 1, we can divide it by 2 and 3. That is n cube minus n is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, we conclude that if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, therefore it must be divisible by 6. Therefore, n cube minus n is divisible by 6. Hence proved.